Okay guys, ever wanted an interactive way to highlight ingredients or product details right on the image itself? Building this kind of detail-focused layout from scratch would honestly take forever. Well, this section handles it all beautifully. Today we're adding this collection section to your store, so let's not waste any more time, let's jump straight into it. Open your favorite browser and search for Shopify App Store. Click on the first link. This takes you straight to the official Shopify App Store. From here, you can install any app based on your needs. Right now, we're searching for Section Kit in the search bar. This is the app that makes building your store so much easier, genuinely. Open it and install it. The process takes just a few seconds, exactly like any other Shopify app. After installing, go to Explore Sections and search for this section. You'll find it here. Click on More Info and purchase it. All the details are listed right below if you want to read through them. I've already purchased this one though, so let's close this and click on My Sections instead. This is where your purchase sections live. Let me scroll down and there's the section. Click on Customize, choose your favorite theme, and the section installs successfully. Now let's open it in Theme Customizer and give it a second to load. Once ready, click on Add Section and search for it. Then choose Collection from the results. It'll be added instantly. Now let's scroll down and customize it together. First, let's start with the design theme. There's a section layout theme option with 3 different layouts to choose from. Pick whichever fits your section best. Right below that, in Main Settings, add a heading. And in Main Image, add an image that fits your own collection nicely. Next up is Structure and Layout. Adjust the width setting based on your preference. Then in Color and Background, you can change all the section's colors based on your own store. After that, there's a full border and shadow section you can customize too. Right below that, you'll find section margins, section paddings, and box inner paddings, all fully adjustable. There's really a lot to explore here. Then in Element Settings and Auto Rotate, you can adjust those options, along with element effects. Now let's move on to typography. There's a typography heading setting you can customize, and a separate typography description and adjustable setting too. Finally, in the collection, add your ingredient name and add a description tooltip as well. Once you've customized everything the way you like, just hit save, and the section goes live on your store. If you found this tutorial helpful, drop a like and let me know in the comments if you run into any issues. I read every single one and I'm always happy to help.